This video looks at fixed costs. In this video, you will learn the definition of fixed costs. 2. You learn how fixed costs change with an increase of production. 3. We'll show you how to calculate the fixed costs by inspection. 4. Interpret the graph for fixed costs. A firm's fixed costs are those costs which the firm incurs whether or not it produces output or total product. Mortgage payment is an example of a fixed cost because the firm must make the payment whether or not it produces output. Labor, as we shall see in another video, is not a fixed cost because the costs will change according to the amount of labor used. Sometimes you might need to have a formula to figure out the fixed costs. The fixed cost is equal to total costs minus variable costs, or FC is equal to TC minus VC. Here's a table with Boris and Colleen's costs and production. You may wish to print a copy of this graph from the website to help you follow along with the discussion. The first column represents the amount of output or production. The second column represents the fixed costs of the printer manufacturer. The example of fixed cost is a mortgage payment in which the owner must make each month irregardless of how much they produce. The third column represents variable costs, labor in our case. The fourth column represents the total cost of manufacturing printers. A fixed cost is a cost which the firm incurs whether or not it produces any output or total output is zero. So to find the fixed cost, let's look at the table and find where the firm produces no printers. The first step is to look in the total output column and look down the column to the place where the output is zero. Once the place where the output is zero has been found, move directly across the columns until you reach the total cost column. In this case, the total cost of producing 0 printers is $10. Since the total cost of producing 0 printers is $10 when the output is 0, the total cost only consists of the fixed cost of producing the printer. Thus, the fixed cost of producing a printer at 0 output is $10. So the fixed cost is put into the first row of numbers next to the total output of 0, which represents the fixed cost. Now, what about the remaining rows? Since fixed costs are constant, that is, they don't change as output or total production changes, the entries in the fixed costs will be the same for all levels of production. Thus, when the firm produces 1 printer, the fixed cost will still be $10. And when the firm produces 2 printers, the firm's cost is still $10. So the table for 3 rows shows the fixed costs. You may want to pause the video and see if you can fill in the rest of the fixed costs for the remainder of the table. Take a minute to check your answers to see if you correctly calculated the missing fixed costs. Before discussing the particular features of the graph of the fixed cost, let's take a minute to understand its structure. The horizontal axis represents total production or output. Total production or output increases as we move from left to right. The vertical axis represents total fixed costs, and fixed costs increase as one moves from the bottom of the graph upwards. The most striking feature of the fixed cost graph is that it's perfectly horizontal. This shape makes sense if you remember that fixed costs are constant even as output increases. In this video, you learned fixed cost was the cost the firm incurs when there is no production. Fixed cost is constant and doesn't change as the firm increases its production. Fixed cost is found by looking at the total cost when the production is zero. The graph of the fixed cost is horizontal line at the firm's fixed cost.